Ito nga. Pangalan lang.
This song has been done by other artists, but I recorded this, the original version, again when I was 12. That was just a few years ago. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y agad-agapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung mabuti na ang buhok ko, will never happen. I color my hair. If I didn't, I'd be silver. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong maging secure sa retire assure natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko. See, because they lasted so long, they're going to last forever. And we can truly depend on in life. I think they're having stayed here for so long, just is evidence of that. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit mabuti, kahit mabuti, kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko. Thank you so much. So aside from doing Sharon in gatherings, of course, choose Sharon first and foremost for our group in life. Thank you so much, everybody.